Hey guys, Sandy here. I am the founder of Motivated to Heal, a holistic health coach and the author of Heal Yourself. So I want to do a really quick video about gut testing and more so parasites and protozoa. So most people are running standard stool tests and they're not seeing anything. They're seeing some bacteria, they're seeing some yeast, but negative on protozoa, negative on parasites. And I run a lot of gut tests. And I run really good gut tests, and I can tell you that that is so rare for it to be negative. It's really, really important to get a biofilm buster on board for 2 weeks prior. This is not NAC. I see a lot of people thinking that NAC is this amazing biofilm buster, and it's not. You want to do something like a systemic enzyme, like Fibrenza is my favorite, and it's the one that I use and I have all of my clients use. But there's a lot of other ones out there these days. I just find that I've gotten the best results with Fibrenza. And then you want to run a really good stool test. And I like the Para-Wellness test. And I don't get kickbacks from either of these people, which I should because I promote their stuff all the time. But that's regardless. I do it because I love Fibrenza and I love the Para-Wellness test because he really gets in there and he takes the time to look. And when you've got that biofilm buster on board for 2 weeks and you've stopped probiotics and you've stopped antimicrobials for those 2 weeks, no flushes, no enemas, no binders, you have a really good chance of seeing things. And you would be surprised. Like I've run hundreds of tests. I'm probably way up there. I think I've got 3 people who tested negative. And it's because they had already done significant work on parasites and protozoa before they started seeing me. So it's so rare that we don't see it. And I don't run the GI map right away because I don't find it's that great at picking up the protozoa. Now, I run the Para-Wellness first. I do a 3-month protocol on whatever protozoa we find with Fibrenza on board because you need to address the biofilm. Otherwise, you're just going to kill what is outside the biofilm and the inside the biofilm stuff will get stronger. So you want to have that biofilm buster on board the entire time you're addressing your protozoa. And then I retest the GI map. And that's when I often see things. And it also increases the odds of seeing the H. pylori, which is really hard to pick up because it can delve really deep into the stomach lining, especially when people are increasing the acid in their stomach. There's a huge movement towards increasing the acidity in your stomach. People are taking betaine and HCl. So they're increasing their stomach acid and the H. pylori is diving deeper, which makes it nearly impossible to detect on your tests. So the longer that biofilm buster is on board, the more we see on the GI map. So I retest with GI map, and if it's there, then we know that it's still there because that biofilm buster was there. So do that and you'll see them.